Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaaramary and this is the Make December series where I share with you easy DIY upcycling tutorials that you can make under 3 hours. And in today's tutorial episode, I will be sharing how to make a halter top, reversible halter top from a tablecloth that I thrifted. So this tablecloth, pretty much I just fold it in half and then I cut the shape, almost like not a square, but that shape, this shape that I'm drawing right now for you guys, and I cut it for the table, the front and the backs, because I'm gonna line it. And then the leftover of the tablecloth, I am going to use it for the string, like the straps of the top. I'm just reusing this pretty much, and this is gonna be, for instance, the loops that are going to allow me to add the straps in the back. I'm going to cut 4 of these, and this saves me time by reusing that same material in the tablecloth. And now I'm cutting the seams, like this folded area of the tablecloth, to be the straps. So I'm going to cut it super long. The nice thing about this tablecloth that I thrifted is that it's long. If I didn't have this option, something that you can do is you can take 1/2 inch long strip, fold it in half, and then top stitch. I was able to skip this step because the tablecloth had this detail, and I'm simply just cutting it away. So if you have the same option, save your time, save your thread, and do this. You have the straps with you ready to go. Now I have to just add the darts, and the dart pretty much is going to be 5 inches in length. There isn't a specific measurement that I'm going by. I just winged it. I'm flowing, estoy fluyendo con esto. And so I just said 5 inches, that's it. And now I just take my pins and pin it together, because you know, whenever you're doing a recipe, yo solamente voy and I'm like, let it work. If it doesn't work, it's fine. Now after I'm done adding the darts, I add the hooks and the straps, and this is pretty much what you want to do. You want it on top, clip it, and then you're going to take the lining, which is going to be the back side, and you want the wrong side of the fabric facing you and the right side of both fabrics sandwiched together. And now I am sewing with a seam allowance of 0.25, and I'm going to sew all around. And the trick in the corners is to have the needle inside, lift the foot up, and then turn it around. I clip the end so it can have a nice flat edge on the top, and you're gonna see here that it looks a little bit bumpy, but once I iron it, press it down, it's going to be exactly as I want it, and then I just have to sew it in the bottom. Pretty much, I do want to show you this super easy, quick, sparkling tip, and that is to take your pin and pull the corner up. Remember how I cut it before turning it around? By doing that, now I have this nice sharp edge, and it looks cleaner that way. I am loving how it's coming together. I literally thrifted this tablecloth months ago. I think like in the summertime with my cousin, and now I'm finally being able to make it. This is such a great gift, especially if you live in California, Texas, anywhere that is warm right now, in Santo Domingo, in Puerto Rico, anywhere. And what I'm doing now is that I'm ironing the seams inside so I can have a nice clean edge before I go to the top stitch. And I am top stitching with white thread because the front is white, like it is reversible, and even though it's yellow in the back, I'm just going ahead and using white. Something that you can do as an option is, like, if the front is white and the bottom and the other side is yellow, the bobbin, keep the thread yellow and then the top thread white, and then it will look seamless. And that's pretty much it. It's done. It's a super quick, easy halter top that you can make for yourself or as a gift. Super easy last minute gift that you can make in under 2 hours. Actually, this took maybe an hour and a half. I love making these, so maybe that's why it was so quick for me. It might take you longer if you're a beginner, but that's pretty much it. It's super easy, shining, sparkling, upcycled DIY that you can make anytime, anywhere. And you can also hand sew it. You don't need a machine. It'll just take you a bit longer. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. Stay tuned to tomorrow. It is the last episode of Make December series, where I am sharing how to embellish your clothing with felt patches. I'll see you next time. Keep on shining, stars. Sigan brillando. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe, click on the notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and join the Star Squad as we shine upcycling one piece at a time. I'll see you next time.